grabe talaga. Maiiyak ka nung time na yun. Yung tatay ko nga, talaga, SQB ka. Paano ka nakapasok yung tatay ko doon? Hi, everyone. I'm Jane Kalimag for Sincola. For the past 35 years, I have been a CPA in public practice. I handled small and medium businesses, and also I am currently teaching accountancy, business and management subjects at Faith Christian School, Senior High School. In 1989, I graduated from Philippine School of Business Administration, Quezon City. And I'm blessed that I garnered cum laude with a degree in Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in accountancy. At that time, I never imagined where life would take me. I also took my review in Philippine School of Business Administration, and with the help of this review center, I was able to pursue my dream of becoming a certified public accountant, and eventually joined SGV & Company, the largest leading accounting firm in the country. That experience opened many opportunities and helped shape my professional career. Like many students, I had dreams, uncertainties, and a lot of hard work ahead of me. But PSBA gave me more than just an education. It gave me discipline, confidence, and courage to pursue my goals. The lessons I learned inside these classrooms became a foundation of my career. Every challenge I faced in the professional world reminded me of the values, work ethic, and the training I received here in PSBA. Today, as a CPA serving in the public sector, I look back and realize that success doesn't happen overnight. It starts with small steps, consistent effort, perseverance, and believing in yourself. For me, one of those important steps began right here at PSBA. I will always be proud, to be a Jaguar. This school became part of my story, my growth, and my success. If I could talk to my younger self back in 1989, I would simply say, keep going. The sleepless nights, the exams, the sacrifices, and the challenges, they will all be worth it. PSBA helped shape the person and the professional that I am today. And for that, I will always be grateful. Thank you, PSBA Quezon City. Once a Jaguar will always be a Jaguar.